following video will show you how to install the Waterdrop Plus UKF8001 water filter on your refrigerator. Take out the old filter by turning it counterclockwise and then gently pull down. Install the new filter by applying slight upward pressure whilst turning clockwise. Please do not release until fully turned to ensure the internal valve inside the refrigerator is activated. Soft reminder here, the new filter should be installed gently and slowly so to avoid the water leakage. Dispense water, looking for a good flow rate. It's recommended to flush the new filter a few minutes to remove any trapped air or contaminants from the system. The Waterdrop Plus UKF8001 fridge filter has a 1-year life cycle, or 1,500 gallons, doubled lifetime than Waterdrop filter. Whichever comes first will vary based on water condition.